Hey everyone, want to design your own stylish tote bag? With Kittl AI, you can create one in just few minutes. Let's get started. First, go to kittlai.com and then in the left-hand menu, click Templates and search for tote bag to browse ready-made designs. Then here can pick a template or start blank. Choose a tote bag template that match your style or pick a blank canvas for custom design. Then here click on the elements to edit. You can add your code, logo, or illustration. You can also explore in Kittl elements for icons, shapes, and decorative graphics. And you can choose bold typography or minimal font depending on your style. Apply colors that match your vibe, earthy tones for minimalist or bright pops for playful design. You can also resize and center your design so it fits well in the tote bag. Keep it clean and balanced. And when done, you can now download and choose PNG with transparent background or PDF, perfect for sending to print shop. And that's it. You've just created a stylish tote bag design with Kittl AI, whether for personal use, gifts, or your own brand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.